for this topic class, I believe that it is very interested na topic. We will become interested because I think some of you, or I believe some of you, or if not some, all of us, including me, nakarelate talaga sa topic na to. Kasi ano ba yung topic natin ngayon? We're going to talk about love. We'll discuss about love. So before anything else, before further discussion, I would like to ask you, what comes to mind when you hear the word love?
Her name, sir.
Her name? Grabe, umiibig talaga. Okay. Hey, thank you very much. May volunteer. Sorry, Ayan Ambrosa. Thank you for that wonderful sharing, Mr. Ayan Ambrosa. Now, to dig deeper, the very aim of this class is, or the very aim of this topic is for you to achieve these objectives. You will be able to differentiate what love is and is not through writing a short reflection paper. Second is, you will be able to create effective poster, collage, or digital presentation that illustrates concrete ways to live out love in family, school, and community life based on Catholic teachings. And lastly, you will be able to articulate your insights and realization of love through sharing. Okay, may activity tayo. Guess what? What kind of love that each picture represents? So just say yung nire-represent ng image. Next. Oh, brother, what kind of love is that? The loving couple. Next. Brother Clyde. What love is that?
Motherly love.
Motherly love. And the last one is?
Divine love.
Divine love. Thank you for that one. You're smart. Real love begins with God. It does not begin in us. It begins with God. So what is love? What's the definition of love? In the Catholic social teaching class or the Catholic perspective, when we say love, it means, according to the Deus Caritas Est, God is love. It means the very essence of God, the foundation of Christian life. The encyclical explains that God is love, and he who abides in love abides in God, and God abides in him. From this Catholic social teaching, from this encyclical, iklaro sa Santo Papa na love is not merely an emotion or desire. It is self-giving act that seeks the good of the other. So it is not just a feeling class, it is not just an emotion, because ang feeling of emotion ay fleeting naman. But love is something eternal. It lasts. And then, iklaro rin po na it seeks the good of the other, hindi lang the good of oneself. But the primary goal is the good of the other. Next, according to the Catechism of the Catholic Church, love is the foundation and form of all virtues. Without love, even faith and hope lose their meaning. Diba? In our last discussions, we talk about faith and hope. Pero ngayon, last yung love, ang pinaka-importante. Because ang hope at saka faith, magiging meaningless siya kung walang love. And charity or love, same lang yung charity and love, inspires and purifies all human actions, helping us seek the true good of others and uniting us with God. Pag nagmahal ka, kita mo yung totoong kabutihan ng isang tao. Nagmahal ka. And why do we love? Bakit tayo nagmamahal? Kasi una, minahal niya tayo. Mamahal tayo kasi minahal tayo. And then, love as total, eternal, and sacred. Maganda itong class. Total, love as total. Love as a gift of self to the other cannot but be total. It is offered from the totality of my being to the totality of others' being. It is like saying, I give my whole self to you. Nagmamahal ka, dapat binibigay mo yung kay
Wala na-
Bishop, kay Bishop Dael, ba? You do not just give what is extra, you give what is best.
Sure ka.
Love is eternal. The gift of myself to the other is not given only for a limited period of time. Otherwise, it becomes a loan and not a gift. Sa totoong pagmamahal, sa totoong pag-ibig is mine forever. It is like to say, I will love you in perpetuity throughout the universe. Kahit na iniwan ka na niya, pero dapat ang love mo is will stay. Ang true love plus, you cannot unlove the other because true love stays. Wow. So, bibiyaan na ka niya, hindi mo siya ma-unlove.
Oh, grabe si Sir.
And sacred! Ano ba? First, ano yung mga? Love is, ano yun? Total. Eternal.
Sacred.
Love is sacred. The persons involved in love are unique, irreplaceable beings, and as such are valuable in themselves. Is this like to say, hindi kita ipagpapalit? Ah. So, kung ipagpalit ka niya, hindi ka niyang tunay na mahal. Understand ka niya? Baklas?
Yes, sir.
Ipagpalit ka ba? Kasi kung pinagpalit ka, hindi ka tunay na mahal.
Mabigyan nila yun lang.
Okay. Meron tayong tinatawag class na phenomenology of love. Love daw, according to the phenomenology of love, is part and parcel of human's life because humans are loving beings. And may mga misconceptions tayo sa love. First, love is pictured many times as an act of possessing or being possessed by another person. So yung misconceptions sa love class, now you own the other, but you do not own the other class. And then, love as synonymous with sex. Sige na lang sex, anak, may sex, delete love. So misconception yan. So equate love with romance. Love has come to be equated with admiration. That's our, ito yung mga misconceptions of love. Next, what love is not according to Max Scheller's phenomenology of love? Love is not same as benevolence because it is not necessary in love that we seek the material benefit of this object. Kung mag-love ka person, dapat hindi ka mag-expect in return. According to Max Scheller, love often becomes the source of deep pain. According kay Mother Teresa, relate ka kay Mother Teresa, di ba? According kay Mother Teresa, love until it hurts. What kind of love is worth fighting for, class? Is it the love of your neighbor, the love of your girlfriend, the love of your friend, the love of your brother? It's up for you. Love differs from mere fellow feeling because fellow feeling is value blind. Love is not simply a feeling, for feelings are often passive, receptive, and reactive. On the other hand, love is active. It's continuous act of the will, a conscious choice and movement toward the good of the other. So, toward the good of the other, yan yung love. It's not passive, but something active. Video presentation. In our video presentation class, naklaro dito na love is the difference between love, genuine love, and attachment. Attachment says, I love you, therefore I want you. So you want Brian to make your girlfriend happy, to make your girlfriend na ma-happy lahat ka. Attachment says, I love you, therefore I want you to make me happy. Yan yung attachment. But genuine love says, I love you, therefore I want you to be happy. If that includes me, great. But if it doesn't include me, I just want your happiness. That's genuine love. Complete the sentence class. So, for me, that's all my own realization na love completes my being. Love is very essential because it gives meaning to my life. How about you, Mr. Dinoy? Please complete the sentence.
Understanding love is essential in our life because it is everything.
It is
Everything.
everything. Okay, class, in your one whole sheet of paper, please write a reflection paper. What love is and is not, and how can I show authentic love in my daily life? Okay, thank you. Then we have a project class. Don't worry, class. Our final project is for whole semester and this year's project. It's about individual creative expression project, a visual collage expressing authentic love in daily life. And for the guidelines of this project, we just sent it to our GC, guidelines and the rubrics. Kasi I know na bilib ninyo ma-express non-memorization sa classes, sa whole class. So for you to really express it, para di makulong, we're going to have a fair sharing. So sa inyong tatapan ninyo, reflect on this question. What is one realization you have today about love? Share with your seatmate. Volunteers share in the class later on, but not necessary on. And then for our assignment class, kasi para balugdang pag-yun, patuwagan pag-yun ninyo ang knowledge about love, kind of love. So research the life of a saint or Catholic figure known for their loving service. Like Saint Mother Teresa of Calcutta, Maximilian Kolbe, etc. Answer these questions. Who were they? What did they show love? How did they show love to others? How can I imitate with example? Okay, I'm just going to send it later in our GCs, so with that, we won't forget. Maraming salamat.